Hey guys, so many of you have asked me how to make money online. So today I will show you. It is a copy-paste method which is extremely fast and bulletproof. So here we go. This is my app and I will use 100 lei. This is about $25. So we have to stick this here. And afterwards we hit Ctrl C, and now all we have to do is hit Ctrl V, and again Ctrl V. This is how you make money online.
Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing